Introducing small cases on Access Direct. Small cases are modern investment products that help you build a diversified, low-cost, and long-term portfolio. A small case is a portfolio of stocks or ETFs that reflect a particular idea, theme, or strategy. In this video, we'll show you how to get started with investing in small cases. On your Access Direct account, under Wise Advisor, click on the menu option Equity Small Cases. If this is your first time on small case, you will be asked a simple question to get you started. You will then be taken to the small case dashboard, which gives you a quick overview of your portfolio. We'll come back to the dashboard later on in the video. Let's get started with finding a small case to invest in. Click on Discover, from where you can explore small cases based on themes, ideas, or strategies. The page also showcases small cases that are in the spotlight or popular with other investors. To narrow down your search, click on the All Small Cases tab. You can make use of smart filters to sort by popularity or returns over the last month. You can also search for small cases by minimum investment amount. The Small Case Discovery page gives an overview of each small case. Here's an exciting small case with a low volatile portfolio. Let's explore it in detail. To help you make an investment decision, each small case contains detailed information from the research team. You can see the index, compound annual growth rate, and past one-year returns at a glance. Furthermore, you can see the reasons why you should consider the small case and understand the methodology behind how the small case was created. You can also track the past performance of the small case and compare it to the relevant benchmarks such as Nifty. A small case comprises stocks or ETFs that are intelligently weighted. You can see these stocks and weights and even customize the stocks in the small case. If you want more details on a particular stock, just click on the stock name. See news related to the stocks in the small case and make your decision without needing to leave the Access Direct platform. So you've decided to invest. Click on Buy a Small Case button. Specify the amount you'd like to invest and click on Confirm Amount. Review your order, and if you'd like to go ahead, click on Invest Now. Once you click on Confirm Orders, your order for all the stocks in the small case will be placed in one go. It only takes a few seconds to fill your order. Congratulations, you've made your first investment in a small case. You can now track your small cases in the Investments section, which gives an overview of all your invested small cases. In just a glance, you can see the invested amount, the value of your investment, and the returns. Clicking on a particular investment, you can see the detailed overview specific to the small case. Here, you can choose to invest more or start an SIP. Your dashboard gives you a complete overview of your investments and watch lists. You can read news related to these small cases and take action right from your dashboard. There are other things you could do on the platform. Want to track a small case before investing? All you have to do is add it to your watch list. Or have an idea in mind? You can create your own small case. We'll show you how to do it in the next video. Stuck with something? You can take a look at our comprehensive help section, which should answer most of your questions, or initiate a conversation with our support team. We're always happy to help. Get started with investing in equities the smarter way through small cases on your Access Direct account.